Alright guys, we got us a 2021 Ram 6.4 liter Power Wagon 2500 heavy duty. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got only, I think, 10,000 miles on it. Factory converters there. I don't know where the second, oh, there's the second one. There. Then it winds into a single there. Then we did a muffler delete, as you guys can see right there. Had a humongous muffler on it. We took it off. And then we also left the resonator on it. He didn't want it to drone too much inside the cab. So we left the resonator on and put a 5-inch black tip, as you guys can see right there. Nice clean look. He wanted it a little bit tucked in more, so we tucked it in for him. And it clean. There's that humongous muffler that usually comes on these. It's really big. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2020 HEMI 6.4 liter V8 beast of a 2500 Ram. Here's a big one. Here's a big one. We're gonna let you guys hear it and see it. Look at this truck. Look at this truck. It's just massive. Anyways, so I got stock converters there. Then a second converter there. Got a less than 1,000 miles on it. 3.5-inch pipe. And we put a DYNOMAX race bullet 24-250 right there. Continued it with 3-inch pipe out the back, and then and it continues the tailpipe 3.5 all the way back. We left the resonator on it. The stock one, he didn't want it too loud, and they're known to drone. So when you leave the resonator, it helps it drone, cut down on the drone a little bit. And then we put a massive 6-inch tip, because you know, why not? All right guys, we got a 2015 HEMI Ram 6.4 liter Power Wagon beast of a truck. It's gonna sound phenomenal. What we got done on it, it has stock converters, beasts, huge converters, one there, one there. Then it winds into a single 3.5-inch. Then somebody dropped it down to 3-inch before us and put this muffler on it, Flowmaster 40 series. But the guy said it's too quiet. So you know what we do? We like to make everything loud. So we put a Y pipe in its place and reuse his tailpipes. Try to save him some money. They still got some meat on them. And put a new hanger on it that was broke there and there. And I'm gonna try and talk him to come back and put new bigger tips on it next. Those tips are too small. We need to put some 6-inch on this Ram. But it's beautiful, man. It really came out nice. That's how you straight pipe these, with a Y pipe. Right there. That sounds good. Oh yeah. Your sound decibels? Again? 116. Go ahead and back it out. Better. Give it gas. Oh, yeah. Again. Sound decibels. Again. It's right at 110. Do you want to keep the old muffler? No. That sounds really good. It's deep. Sounds so sick. So it's a Power Wagon HEMI 6.4 liter. Oh, much better. Again. awesome, right? I like it. You like it? It's not too loud either.
No, it's just gonna get that little bit extra meat on it.
Yeah, just gives you that beef, you know? I love it. HEMI Power Wagon, 6.4 liter. One more. Oh, yeah. Get on it. Show us what. Yeah, there you go. Much better. Enjoy, guys. HEMI, baby. I'm definitely thinking about getting this one. Oh, it sounds so sick. Can't beat that 6.4, man. That 6.4 is just deep. Listen to that. Oh, yeah. You still hear it. Straight pipe. Wow. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it.